You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this adjective. It comes from the noun region in English. Both British English and American English pronunciations are similar as regional. J, yes, it's pronounced like a J, okay? J, a J, like D, J, J. Regional. Stress on the first syllable. Regional, okay? So don't worry about the spelling. I think it comes from French, hence a bit of a peculiar spelling. Regional, a stress on the first syllable. It's easy once you know regional, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.